This brief video is going to demonstrate the new sentence spinner built into the Best Spinner version 2.2. As with previous versions, when you tab to select a word, you get your drop-down list of synonyms. Same thing with phrases. Also, when you select a little bit longer set of text, the synonym box spreads across the window so you can see a little better, makes things easier. But now, when you select multiple sentences, or even the whole article, it'll pop up the Rewrite Sentences dialog. And you see it'll show you how many sentences are in the selected text, in this case 3. You can scroll through those sentences with the arrow keys, or you can hit the tab key and shift tab like you would when tabbing through the words and phrases in your article. Now, once you're on the Rewrite Sentences form, all you have to do is start typing your new variations of the sentence that you're looking at. So for instance, some of today's diet programs have lots of success stories, and some of those are even true. And then hit enter, and you'll see it added the variation down here. And you can type as many variations of your sentences as you want and just hit enter and it'll automatically add them. If you want to modify one you've already entered, just select it, do your modification, and click update. But you can see that it's made to rapidly be able to just type new sentences in very quickly. And then you tab to the next sentence, type in your rewrites, hit enter, and continue throughout all the sentences in the selected text. When you're done, you can click save or hold your Alt key, and you see the S is underlined, and press S, Alt S. And you'll see what it does is it takes all the sentences that you've rewritten and it adds the spin syntax to them. Now the great thing about this is if you want to spin your sentences and not just words and phrases, you can select the entire article either by holding Control and pressing A, or using your mouse to highlight the entire article. And you'll see it puts all of the sentences into the Rewrite Sentences form, and you can type in your variations, tab through, and continue, so on. And then click Save. And you'll see only where you've added variations, it puts the spin formatted sentences right into the article for you. Now there's one thing you need to be aware of. If you weren't doing sentence spinning before, and now that it's so easy you choose to do it now, by default the Best Spinner will select the entire group of spin text. But if you want to go in and spin the individual words inside the sentences after having done the spinning on all the sentences, uncheck Spin Skip, and you'll see what that will do is that will actually tab through the words inside, instead of just jumping, when that's checked, from block to block. Alright, be sure to let me know what you think of the forum, and I certainly appreciate all of you out there who are using the Best Spinner and making it the greatest spinner in the world.